more example I will tell you. Two friends met in one place. After talking chit chat, just they told that one will meet like 6 o'clock like that. But when they are meeting, one friend came to where exactly they are meeting that one. But by that time, other friend not came. But that person he's keep on calling to the friend. Okay. But that friend is not at all giving the reply. I think he is somewhere doing other tasks somewhere. But which friend is waiting in that place? He is completely feeling bored. Are such a nice friend. Even I told the time also he didn't visit proper time. There one thing is missing. While talking to them exactly AM or PM, they didn't tell that one. See, simple AM PM also, if you are not communicating properly, again that action is going to fail. Like that. But I believe strongly, in any situation, if something will happen, we will very politely, we will very kindly, we will speak to others, we will motivate, we will give strength, everything we will give. But the moment something will happen to us, by that time, how much kind you are speaking to yourself, how much loving yourself, what is your inner voice, you have to think very, very much. Because the inner voice which you are talking to yourself, it takes a lot. Even external situations will be 100% not favor to you. Even though if you are favored to yourself, you will be happy, you will be in correct decision maker also. But the importance of that detachment and attachment also, you should know that one. Most of the people communication related, we are dependent on the devices. Just small, sometime we will take to see, but it will take too much time. Because of that, we are getting the some unknown pains, like simply by sitting, by sleeping. If you are watching continuously, also we will get the pain, shoulder pain. Simply by using neck, this hand pain will come, eye pain will come. There are so many problems also there. That is why if it is exactly needful, by that time if you use, and remaining time if you are put aside, that will be more good. Normally we have to use the devices, but devices should not use us. When devices started consuming our time, that simply indicates we are in those device controls. Always we should remember that devices, productivity wise, you have to use that one, either Facebook or WhatsApp or anything. While doing the work, how much exact accurate time you are spending yourself to focus on the work. But most of the time simply keep on checking the messages is distracting our focus also. See, that is, if some good message means that doesn't matter, but if some disturbance will come means that impact, it will again keep on going, that it will also take our time. That is why while using the devices also, we have to put some little bit time. By that time if we are checking that one, it is always good. Few people are still there, even they don't watch anything morning to evening just 10 or 15 minutes they will use. After that they will leave that one. The great people in their home, they are not using like TV also. Why? Because they have the goal, they are doing their task with their focused mind.